Hey Betty, don't those men's up there look sexy? Oh, yeah, they do look sexy. Okay, bye. Bye, Dora. Enjoy the man you like. Wait, isn't that our girlfriend Dora? Yeah, she looks older. Hey, boyfriends. Oh, she still remembers us. Oh, oh my God. Mm, mm. Ma'am, what? I'm sorry. It is illegal to touch men in a strip club, but they're my boyfriends. I'm sorry. You have to leave. Oh, hey, RG. Reggie? What are you doing here? I'm part of the strip club, baby. I'm not your baby. I'm not gay. Well, soon you will be gay. Come with me. Uh, uh, oh, Reggie. Oh, RG. Can anyone explain to me why is that illegal to touch my own boyfriends? Yeah, why is that illegal? Yeah, I don't know why that is illegal, but I want to kiss my boyfriends. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my God, I just enjoy this life. Uh, uh, yeah, you like it, baby. Yes. Oh, oh, Alexander. Mm, mm. Oh my God, your penis still tastes good. Oh my God, his penis tastes good. And his shirt still says, I love sex. Mm. Oh, yeah, you like it, baby. Oh, oh my God. Oh, uh, uh, R.G. Andrews. Oh no, it's Betty. Man of mine, what are you doing? This isn't what you looks like. You're you're making Reggie hump you? All this life we've been together. I dressed like this for you. And now you're gay now? Don't even talk to me anymore, R.G. Andrews. Wait, it was Reggie. He made me do it. Shh, just ignore her and just uh uh wow. I didn't see Betty that upset. Yep, me neither. So, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna chill Betty up. Betty, what's wrong? RG is cheating on me with a boy. I know how it feels. Your boyfriend is gay now, huh? Yeah, he's gay now. I don't know why. Yeah, it's hard, Betty. It's hard to let your boyfriend just date a boy. Yeah, it's just hard. It's just hard. I'm breaking up with him. Oh, sad news, girl. I'll be right back. Bad news, RG. Betty says she's breaking up with you, says you like boys now. What? Reggie, this is all your fault. You made me go into my gay life. What is wrong with you? Shh, shh, shh. Lay on top of me. Oh, this feels good. Now, get on the floor. Now, enjoy it. Oh, Reggie. I didn't know penises feel so nice. Reggie. Uh, yeah, it's nice to have RGB on